What month is it? January, December? It's freezing.
It's called January.
It's all your fault! Oh.
You're gonna pop him!
There's a cactus.
Pop him!
There's a cactus there. I have to search him. How do you like it? That's what I thought. It's cold.
I'm gonna laugh so hard until it falls head first in the water.
Oh, my hair. It's wet too.
Oh, my Smurf.
Holy Smurf. Baby, is this? Yeah, imagine how my feet feel. Why? I said so. Oh, cold, 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 cold.
Interesting.
Interesting. What am I doing?
Hello? I'm a pinkish color.
It's magenta.
Hello, I'm a purplish color.
And I'm a goldfish. It's cold. Look at that. Look at that.
Does it feel good?
So
Interesting.
They're shocked.
Okay. Let's get on with this interview. Brittany,
yes.
what do you do in your spare time?
That's a hard question.
Good.
I eat goldfish.
Oh.
I'm a serial killer. Give me a box of
Fish.
fish.
The pockets are all the way up here, so when I go to put them in,